So today we are going to discuss about lookup value function in the Power BI. So before going to discuss about why lookup function? So I want to display the total price. So these are my conditions right now. So I have sales table where we have quantity and respect to product IDs, and we have a product table and its prices. Okay. I want to find total price. To find the total price, what are the required inputs? What are the required inputs? Total price. Okay. Number of quantities sold, number of quantities sold, and each product price. Each product price. So these are the requirements. So where the total quantity sold, the quantity sold is in the product table. Okay. The total quantity sold in the sales table. Sales table. We have we have two quantities sold. Okay. In product ID 2, we have only one product was sold. In product ID 3, we have three quantities was sold. Okay. Three quantities was sold. So which is in the sales table, the quantity sold in the sales table. Similarly, where can we get the product price? Unfortunately, the product price in another table. Another table. If you want to calculate the total price, either we need to extract this this price column into the sales table, or the quantity column into the product table. Let's say now we are extracting the price column into the fact table. How to accomplish this? How to accomplish it? But there is another condition also. We don't have we don't have the conditions were the condition were we don't have no relationship no relationship between the tables, and also extract required values from another table. So these are the two conditions. In that case, we have to go with the lookup function. So what lookup function does, okay, let me create a lookup, let me create a lookup. So we need to extract the price column into the fact sales table. Okay. So let me create a new column, new column. So we're extracting the price column into the sales table. So price, required price, required price equal to, required price equal to what it does. If you want to require lookup or lookup value, retrieve or lookup value from specified column. So I want to retrieve a value from the specified column. So I'm writing lookup value, lookup value. So what is the specified column here? What is the specified column here? We are extracting the price column. So price based on what? Based on what? Column from table based on set of such condition. What are the such condition? What are the such condition? What are the such condition? What are the common things in both the product and sales? The product ID based on the product ID from the product table, product ID from the sales table. So these are the common things. So okay, so these are the common things. These are the common things. So the was such column was product ID. Based on the product ID, we are fetching the price value. Okay. Similarly, in the fact table, what is the common thing, common column? Okay, product ID. So product product ID. So based on these two condition, product ID and product ID, we are fetching the price value into the sales table. Okay. Let's see the magic. So go to, so we're getting price value. Go to the table where you can see the new column, price value. Now we have, now we have quantity sold and its product price in one table. So we can easily find the total price. Easily find the total price. Either you can go to the calculate column or the measure. So let me go with the measure. So new measure, new measure, total, total price. Let me use SumX function. I will do SumX function, so row by row operation. So what is the table name? Sales table. Okay. In this table, what we need to do? Multiplication of quantity into price. So quantity, and the price. Now, if you want to require the total price, if you want to display the total price, so let me go with the cart. So total sales was 4,200. There is a two condition. If you don't have any relation between the tables, and also if you want to require values from another table. Okay, don't have any relationship and extract column from another table. Okay, then you can go with the lookup function. Okay, lookup function. So resultant column, here the resultant column is what you're looking for, the price column from product table. So that's I mentioned. So that's why I mentioned here the price table. Okay, and the search column here is product ID. The fact table is product ID. Based on this condition, product ID, it will fetch the price into the fact sales table. Okay, sales table. Now you can easily find the required output. Okay. So if you really like this video, please subscribe and comment your opinion and what kind of videos you want so that I can do more videos. Thank you so much.